As we grow older, something interesting happens. Our bodies begin to slow down, our energy shifts, and our priorities change. But you know what else changes? Often quietly, almost unnoticed? Our peace of mind? Life gets louder. Health challenges appear, responsibilities pile up, and suddenly we find ourselves fighting stress, anxiety, and restlessness more than ever. But here's the truth. Protecting your peace isn't just emotional, it's a health decision. It affects your heart, your brain, your immune system, your sleep, literally your lifespan. So today, let's talk about how to protect your peace as you grow old, in ways that nurture both your mind and your body. Because peace isn't just a feeling, it's a form of medicine. Stay with me till the end, because I'll share practical, science-backed ways to help you live longer, feel calmer, and protect the peace that keeps you healthy. Chapter 1. Understand that peace is a vital health need. Let's start with something we don't talk about enough. And chronic stress is one of the biggest health killers in the world. According to research from Harvard Medical School, long-term stress increases the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, depression, and even dementia. When you live in constant mental tension, overthinking, worrying, replaying old hurts, your body stays stuck in fight or flight mode. Your heart rate rises. Your muscles tighten. Your sleep worsens. Your immune system weakens. So protecting your peace isn't optional. It's preventive care. Peace lowers your cortisol levels. It improves your digestion, balances your hormones, and strengthens your immunity. Your body literally heals better when your mind is calm. So step 1 is to stop treating peace as a luxury. It's not a spa day. It's your lifelong health plan. 2. Practice daily stress detox. Just as your body needs to detox from toxins, your mind needs to detox from stress. Every day, we absorb emotional toxins, from the news, from arguments, from social media, from our own worries. If you don't clear them out, they accumulate, and that emotional buildup becomes inflammation in your body. So what can you do? Practice deep breathing. Just 5 minutes of slow, deep breathing can reduce blood pressure and lower stress hormones. Try this simple method. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this for a few minutes. Your nervous system will begin to reset. Take mental breaks. Step away from screens. Go outside. Let your eyes rest on something green. Nature has a proven calming effect on the brain. Journaling. Writing out what's stressing you helps your mind declutter. Studies show journaling improves mood and emotional regulation, both essential for heart and brain health. Think of stress detox as brushing your emotional teeth. It's small daily maintenance that keeps your peace clean. 3. Nourish your peace through nutrition. You might not realize it, but your diet has a direct effect on your mood and mental peace. Ever notice how you feel anxious or foggy after too much sugar or processed food? That's not just in your head, it's in your gut. Your gut produces over 90% of your body's serotonin, the hormone responsible for happiness and calm. So when your gut is unhealthy, your mood suffers. Here's how to eat for peace. Eat omega-3 rich foods. Fatty fish, chia seeds, and walnuts reduce inflammation and protect brain function. Include magnesium-rich foods. Spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate help your muscles and nerves relax. Avoid excess caffeine and sugar. They spike your cortisol and disturb your sleep, both enemies of peace. Hydrate. Dehydration can mimic anxiety symptoms. Keep your water intake up. And remember, eating mindfully, without screens or rush, improves digestion and lowers stress levels. 4. Sleep is the foundation of peace. Sleep is not just rest, it's but recovery for the soul. As you age, your body naturally produces less melatonin, making it harder to sleep deeply. But poor sleep leads to irritability, anxiety, and higher blood pressure, all of which steal your peace. Here are a few ways to protect your nighttime peace. Keep a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. And turn off screens an hour before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin and tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. Create a sleep sanctuary. Make your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. Use calming scents like lavender. And avoid heavy meals or caffeine late at night. Good sleep is like hitting the reset button for your body and mind. Without it, your peace will always be on shaky ground. Five, move your body, calm your mind. Peace lives in a moving body. Exercise is one of the most powerful natural stress relievers on earth. When you move, your body releases endorphins, natural mood elevators. Regular physical activity improves memory, boosts energy, and lowers anxiety. You don't need to run marathons. Simple, gentle movements go a long way. Daily walks in nature, yoga or stretching, dancing to your favorite song. Light strength training for bone and muscle health, even 20 minutes a day, can make a world of difference. Movement clears emotional tension and sends oxygen to your brain, helping you think clearer, sleep better, and feel more at ease. Remember, motion creates emotion. So if you want peaceful thoughts, keep your body active. Six, declutter your mind to protect your brain. As we grow older, our brains collect memories, responsibilities, and worries, just like our homes collect clutter. And mental clutter drains peace faster than anything. To protect your mental health, limit information overload. You don't need to consume every news story or every piece of bad information. Focus on what truly matters. Not every thought deserves your attention. Practice mindfulness meditation. Even 10 minutes a day can rewire your brain to be calmer and more focused. Scientific studies show mindfulness increases the size of the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for emotional regulation and memory. A decluttered mind is a peaceful mind. And that peace improves your focus, creativity, and even your physical longevity. Seven, build healthy emotional boundaries. Emotional peace is physical peace, because every time you absorb other people's negativity, your body reacts. You might not notice it, but when someone constantly drains you, complains, criticizes, or stresses you out, your blood pressure spikes and your heart rate increases. Boundaries are not selfish. They're about self-care. It's okay to say no. It's okay to limit time with people who disturb your calm. And it's okay to protect your space, mentally, emotionally, and even digitally. Remember, not everyone deserves access to your energy. Peaceful people have learned to love without losing themselves. Eight, spend time outdoors. Nature is the original medicine. One of the simplest ways to protect your peace and your health is to go outside. Research shows that spending just 20 minutes in nature can lower cortisol, improve immunity, and enhance mood. Sunlight increases vitamin D, which reduces depression risk and supports bone health. Try this. Morning sunlight exposure for 10-15 minutes. Walks in green spaces. Gardening or grounding. Feeling the earth beneath your feet. Nature doesn't just calm your mind, it regulates your biology. And the older you get, the more your body needs that natural balance. Nine, protect your peace through gratitude and connection. Studies from UC Berkeley show that gratitude physically rewires the brain toward optimism and well-being. Grateful people have lower blood pressure, stronger immune systems, and better sleep quality. So, every night, Take 1 minute to recall 3 things you're grateful for. It could be your health, your family, or simply the ability to breathe and wake up another day. And don't isolate yourself. Loneliness can raise stress hormones and shorten lifespan as much as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Keep meaningful connections alive, even small ones. Call a friend. Smile at a neighbor. Volunteer. Join a hobby group. Humans are wired for connection, and peace grows where love exists. Ten. Accept aging gracefully, the final form of peace. Many people lose peace as they age because they fight against time. But acceptance is one of the healthiest forms of peace you can cultivate. Aging is not a disease, it's a natural process. Your wrinkles, your slower pace, your softer voice, they all tell a story of survival, growth, and wisdom. Instead of focusing on what's changing, focus on what's growing inside you. Patience, wisdom, compassion. Acceptance releases tension from your body and your mind. It helps you sleep better, breathe easier, and age more beautifully. So let's bring it all together. Protecting your peace as you grow old isn't just about staying calm. It's about staying healthy. Every peaceful choice, every walk, every boundary, every breath is a health decision. It strengthens your heart. It sharpens your mind. It extends your life. Let go of what you can't control. Feed your body good food. Feed your mind good thoughts. And spend your days doing things that make your soul feel light. Because peace is not the end of the journey, it's the medicine that carries you through it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video reminded you to take care of your peace, your body, and your mind, then give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more weekly videos on mental wellness, healthy aging, and emotional healing. Because health is not just how long you live, it's how peacefully you live. Until next time, take a deep breath, protect your peace, and remember, you deserve a calm, healthy, peaceful life.